Hey, my name is Connor and welcome to Crypto Gains. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Cosmos and its native cryptocurrency called ATOM. You're going to be finding out what it is and of course, my price prediction for this bull run. Because we are in it for the tech here at Crypto Gains. I do strongly believe that blockchain technology is changing the world for the better, but we are in it for the gains as well. So may the gains be with you. If you are new here, welcome to the channel, guys. I want to thank every single one of you for watching, liking, subscribing, turning the notification bell on, and hitting all notifications as well. We are going to be doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, but in order to enter that and find out the details of how you can get access to that giveaway, you need to be a member of our free Telegram group. So the link is down in the description below for that. But Cosmos, I've been getting so many requests about what it is and where I think it's going with its price. Now let me tell you, this is a serious blockchain contender. It needs to be talked about more often, and not enough people are actually looking at it because it is doing amazing ground shifting things in the blockchain technology space. So let's jump into coin market cap. And as you can see, we are at a market cap of $1.4 trillion. And if we come down here to number 19, we will see Cosmos. Cosmos is currently trading at a price of $18.34 with a market cap of $3.8 billion. Now, Cosmos's main competitor, I would say, is Polkadot. So if we look at Polkadot in terms of its market cap, we can see Polkadot is at a $30 billion market cap, while Cosmos is at a $3.8 billion. So just looking at that, if Cosmos were to get to the same market cap as Polkadot, it would be about a 10x from here, putting the price at $180. Now, what are the factors actually driving that increase of value? We're going to be covering that later in the video. But first, we're going to hop into the charts and check out what's going on in terms of price action and see if we can find any trading opportunities, of course, in the charts. So right now we are looking at a ATOM versus BTC chart. Now, Cosmos is the network, ATOM is the currency that fuels the network. So don't get that confused. I know if you're new, it can be a lot of terms and a lot of, definitions and stuff, but it's really not that confusing. Cosmos, network, ATOM, cryptocurrency on the network. Just know that. But this is Cosmos versus Bitcoin. Now, as you can see, we are having a bit of a pullback. We did hit a high here in middle of February. It is early March right now. And now just looking at this, I can see that there is clear support down here where all these candle bodies are closing and these candles are wicking down into this level of demand. So we're going to draw this zone right here. I'll take it to this low, this candle wick low. So as you can see, price is wicking down into this demand zone. We talk a lot about this trading strategy inside of our free Telegram group. So if you want to join that, please join that. Link is down in the description below. But this is obviously a clear level of demand. I can see that by these large wicks coming down into this level and then price coming back up from here. So I'm also going to draw a trend line because we did form a bit of a descending triangle and we did break out of it. Now, as you can see, price did come and retest. So there's two scenarios that can play out here. Scenario number one is price continues to use this as support, and we need to see Bitcoin dominance drop. And if Bitcoin dominance drops, we will, of course, see an uptrend in Cosmos. Now, if there is some crazy news event where some huge institution buys, $10 billion or whatever worth of Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance goes through the roof, well, then this will drop. And if it drops down here, not financial advice, but it is an amazing buying opportunity. Now remember, we want to stack our coin. We want to grow our Bitcoin here at Crypto Gains. Of course, we'll look at the ATOM US dollar chart. If you did buy it with US dollars, it is doing the same exact thing as the Bitcoin chart. But if you did buy it in US dollars and you want to think of it in terms of US dollars, let me just cover that for you. Look, here at the $15 level, $15 to really $13, that's the level of demand on the chart. This is where smart money is picking it up. There is a large influx of orders waiting in the zone. And as soon as price comes down here, as you can see by these wicks, price jumps right back up. All the sell orders get eaten by the buy wall. So if we look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, we are just doing some chop and slop price action. This is what I call the sideways price action. I like to call it chop and slop. That's what one of my mentors used to call it. He used to trade on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. He used to trade commodities. It's chop and slop. So we need this chop and slop to end, and we need to see some kind of clear direction. Like I said, if we see some huge news headline that it's going to drive Bitcoin dominance up, well, that's going to cause the price of pretty much every single altcoin on the market to drop. That is your buying opportunity. Remember, we are value investors. We want to enter from a position of strength. So always keep an eye on the Bitcoin dominance chart. This needs to be kind of a daily thing for you, because when this thing starts to move, you will hear about it here. So make sure you are subscribed, because you don't want to miss this. This is altcoin season. This is what we are highly, highly anticipating. A lot of people think, oh no altcoin season is going to happen this run. Only Bitcoin is relevant. Look, we've been doing this for years now. I was here for the last altcoin season. Altcoin season is very, very real, and we are expecting it to happen. What we are expecting is price first to hit this first level of resistance here at the 57 percentile mark for Bitcoin dominance. I know this is unrelated to Cosmos, but this is important information for every single altcoin holder, because look, 2021 is a year for mass adoption, but let's be realistic. It's going to be another 5 to 10 years before we see the whole entire world really, really utilizing blockchain technology to its fullest potential. So we need to know how to navigate the markets and know how to get in and out, and of course, profit and arbitrage from the marketplace, because we are traders and we are investors as well, but I personally love to trade and make money from price action. So this is why you need to know this information. It's relevant for every single altcoin. I'm going to go to a weekly chart. And as you can see for the Bitcoin dominance, we have our first level of resistance here at the 57 percentile mark. Just from 61% to 57%, Atom will go nuts. And then if we do see a scenario like this where we retest this level and then we kind of go down here to this 50% mark, things are going to go even nuts, but we are expecting price to go all the way down here to about the 44% mark, which is, right here. Anyway, this is what you need to be keeping an eye out for with your altcoins. I do hold a lot of altcoins, so I always watch this, because look, this is an investment. It's like starting a garden. You don't just plant a flower and then say, hey, grow, and then poke it every now and then. No, you nurture it, you water it, you take care of it, you look after it like it is your own child. This is how I look after my investments, because this is my business. This is very, very serious to me. This is my money. Okay? So I'm always watching what's happening. I don't put it off. This is very, very serious stuff. So looking at price action, we are sitting at this level. Is it a good time to buy? It's not a bad time to buy. Just from this high we had in the middle of February, we are down to current price 28%, almost 30%. Okay, we will retest these highs. There's no doubt about it. Price has memory. We will retest these highs. So that is price action overview. So now let's get into what Cosmos actually is. So if we go to the website, what is Cosmos? So I'm going to read this right from the website. Cosmos is an ecosystem of blockchains that can scale and interoperate with each other. Before Cosmos, blockchains were siloed and unable to communicate with each other. They were hard to build and can only handle a small amount of transactions per second. Cosmos solves these problems with a new technical vision. So in order to understand, we need to go back to the fundamentals of blockchain technology. A lot of jargon and technical knowledge that most beginners won't understand. And this is a beginner video, so I'm really not going to go into the really deeps and depths of what Cosmos is, but do know that it is a 2-layer blockchain. Think of Ethereum. Ethereum is a 1-layer blockchain, and then you have layer 2s like Matic and XDAI and Harmony 1 that a lot of people are asking me about after my Matic video. These are layer 2s building on top of Ethereum. Now Cosmos is a layer 1 and layer 2 blockchain. It has this layer 1, which is the consensus and networking, pretty much the governance, and then layer 2 is where all the applications are built. This is, you're think of like JavaScript or C++, all the main coding languages Cosmos can understand and read, and then developers can build their applications on the layer 2 of Cosmos. And you can see the ecosystem here. There's some serious blockchain players building on Cosmos. You have Binance Chain, Binance Smart Chain. Go through this list on your own. And pretty much everybody who's building on Ethereum and Polkadot is also taking notice to Cosmos, but not as many people are talking about Cosmos. So definitely do your own research. Find out what exactly is going on with this blockchain. But something you need to take notice of is, of course, a blockchain or a cryptocurrency social media. Because yes, it is internet, cyberspace, money, and a lot of coding going on. But at the end of the day, a cryptocurrency or a blockchain is built by human beings, by people, okay? So having a strong community is absolutely critical to any project's success. Look at Bitcoin. You have die-hard Bitcoin maximalists that will fight to the death saying that Bitcoin is the #1 currency and everything else is worthless. Okay, they have such a strong community. Look at Cardano, also one of the strongest communities in crypto. Having a strong community and being active on social media is extremely important. And Cosmos is active and they do engage with their community. They're constantly releasing new things that are developing with the Cosmos ecosystem. So you need to be taking notice to its social media. Check out its Twitter. A lot of things are happening there. So to wrap Cosmos up in a nutshell, it is trying to solve the problem of interoperability and scaling within blockchains. You see Ethereum right now, they're having a very, very hard time scaling their blockchain. Transaction fees, gas fees are absolutely through the roof. And with that, not as many people are using the network. As well as that, Ethereum isn't interoperable yet. That is the problem that Polkadot is solving. But what interoperability means in a nutshell is, let's say you have Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network and you want to put it on a different network. Well, Cosmos and Polkadot, but Cosmos is going to be able to let you transfer your Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network to the Cosmos Atom network. And this is called interoperability. And this will absolutely change things because this means that all these different blockchains, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, Tron, which is pretty irrelevant, but all these different blockchains are going to be able to communicate and you're going to be able to exchange tokens and go on different applications all in one centralized place. But it will be decentralized. Cosmos is decentralized. So this is groundbreaking, revolutionary technology. You need to be taking notice to it. Definitely subscribe to our channel because, like I said, we are here for the gains. We watch that price chart religiously here. We let you know when it's a good time to buy and it's a good time to sell. So hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment what you did like. My name is Connor from Crypto Gains. We will see you in the next one. I hope your trading is going well. I hope your bags are pumping. We are waiting for this next leg up with altcoins. We had a big pullback, but I think, obviously nobody has a crystal ball. We watch the charts and we let price action dictate and tell us what to do. But if we see a drawdown down into this level of demand, that is your buying opportunity. If it goes even lower than that, well then I'd back up the entire fiat truck, not financial advice. Like I said, we just had a 30% drawdown in Cosmos, so it is a pretty decent time to buy right now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Connor from Crypto Gains, and we'll see you in the next one.